Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me take you on a closer look at outfits I designed for her. First up, I crafted a delightful outfit featuring a soft pink top with a lovely white print. I also added stylish jeans and pink shoes. I thought it would be the perfect touch to add a beige handbag to complete the look. I mean, who doesn't love a great accessories? Of course, I couldn't resist making a pink dress too. Barbie looks absolutely gorgeous in it, especially with these pink boots. And just in case the weather gets a bit chilly, I made sure she has a light blue jacket to keep her warm during her spring strolls. For the warmer days, I designed a fun outfit with blue shorts and bright yellow t-shirt. I think they go together beautifully. To add a bit of flair, I added cute beige boots and a gorgeous green skirt adorned with roses. Barbie is definitely ready for some sunny adventures. Next, I put together pink top and beige skirt. This outfit is perfect for shopping trips or walks with friends. And if the temperature drops, Barbie can always throw on a pink jacket and carry her handbag when she goes for a walk. For Barbie's special date night, I choose a glamorous pink top and stylish pants, but I think something is missing. I decided to add a bouquet of flowers to really elevate the look. Now she looks absolutely gorgeous. Today I decided to make a wardrobe for my doll inspired with Barbie the movie. Let me take a closer look. Let's start, of course, with her famous pink dress. This dress, as if created for special moments, is complemented by jewelry made of white flowers. In this dress, Barbie is like a real princess, ready for any holiday. For parties, Barbie has a special golden jumpsuit decorated with sequins. When she wears it, the jumpsuit sparkles in the light like stars in the night sky. Barbie in this outfit will become the center of attention at any event. For summer weather, Barbie has a light set with a stylish hat. This outfit is perfect for walks on the beach or meeting friends in a cafe. And if it suddenly gets cold, she can throw on a light jacket. Let's not forget about the white dress in a nautical style. It is perfect for a stroll along the beach or shopping on a sunny day. Of course, the pink set is a must-have attribute of her wardrobe. It is complemented by a cute hat that adds a touch of playfulness and style. In this outfit, Barbie can go on a picnic or just enjoy a day in the fresh air. And finally, a sporty option on roller skates. This set includes a bright swimsuit, elbow and knee pads for protection, as well as stylish yellow roller skates. Barbie can happily skate around the park, enjoying the freedom and active lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you the adorable pajamas I made for my dolls. Let's dive right in and check out these cozy outfits. First up, we have this blue striped pajama, a short paired with comfy shorts. To make bedtime even more special, I added a cute sleep mask and matching slippers. Your dolls will be ready for a cozy night's sleep in style. Next, I created a lovely purple robe. This is perfect for throwing on after a nice warm shower. A soft fabric and vibrant color make it a must-have for any doll's wardrobe. It's all about that cozy vibe. Now let's take a look at this green pajama. It comes with adorable socks and matching sleep mask. This outfit is perfect for those lazy days when your dolls just want to relax. And after a refreshing shower, don't forget about the towels. I made one for the body and smaller one for the hair. These towels are essential for keeping your dolls looking fresh and fabulous. Check out this pink elegant pajama. It consists of a light shirt and trousers paired with the cutest bunny-shaped slippers and a matching sleep mask. This outfit is perfect for a stylish sleepover. Last but not least, we have this cheerful yellow home suit. It features pants with fun stars and a comfy t-shirt. This is the nice outfit for a cozy day at home with your dolls. And there you have it, my collection of adorable pajamas for my dolls. I decided not to show the full instructions how to make this doll in this video, since this template is made in the same way as, for example, the template with spring clothes. So if you want to make this toy, I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can watch the full
full instructions for creating this doll. I'm excited to share something special with you, my summer wardrobe for paper dolls. Let's dive right in. I've created a fun and vibrant summer wardrobe that includes a variety of outfits. First up, we have this adorable pink dress with black and yellow stripes, perfect for those sunny days. Next, we have a stylish yellow and black top paired with beige trousers. And if you want to change things up, there is a blue top option that goes perfectly with the same beige trousers. Now check out this watermelon color top with a blue skirt adorned with white flowers. To complete the look, I've added a cute red summer bag. I also made some patterned overall with a green handbag for a fun, casual vibe. And don't forget this pink t-shirt paired with skirt featuring a black and white pattern. It's a great mix of comfort and style. We also have a glittery blue t-shirt matched with pink jeans for a touch of sparkle. Lastly, there is a chic black top with pink dots, also paired with pink jeans. What's great about these outfits is that they can be mixed and matched with different pieces to create endless combinations.
Today I'll show you a little 6 inches moving doll with nice wardrobe. Link on the template you will find in the description of this video. So the first outfit is dark blue jeans, a beige top and a brown scarf which adds a touch of charm. Leather boots, shorts and cute t-shirt perfectly complete the doll's look. We can also wear a leopard print top instead of previous top, giving the doll a choice of what to wear depending on the occasion. The brown top is complemented by a beautiful accessory. Paired with a striped skirt, the doll looks simply stunning. A pink tunic suits this doll perfectly, and you can wear it with a pair of beautiful leather spats. Brown trousers and vest perfectly complete the doll's look. This outfit is perfect for going to a cafe or a movie. A leopard print dress with spats and a beautiful scarf is a wonderful outfit that can be worn on a date or for a walk. You can also add a handbag or a light coat. So let's make it all first. I glue the arm pieces together. To make holes for mini brads, you can use hole puncher with 1.5mm hole or a needle instead. Then I take mini brads and I put it into the hole. Then add the second piece of the arm. The important thing is to cut the ends of mini brads so we can hide them. Now I take the body part and attach hands in the same way as we did in elbows. After I glue the final part of the arm and it's done. Repeat for the other arm and I glue the body. Time to make legs. Again I made holes and I'm using mini brads to attach leg detail. I repeat for another leg and finally glue the front parts. Now I need to repeat all these steps with the lower parts of the legs. So now our doll is ready. Let's make cover. For the closet, glue stripes for the back sides. Flip it over and add 2 more stripes. Then glue the cover details. Next we need to make a pocket for the doll. Glue 3 stripes of double-sided tape along the edge and attach the pocket to the cover. Use double-sided tape, cut small piece, attach it to the clothes and secure it to the hangers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!